3, go.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is SM Rakibul Alam and I am currently a student of journalism, media and communication at Daffodil International University. I believe that in today's dynamic world, real world experience and practical skills hold greater value than just theoretical classroom knowledge. That's why I always try to contribute what I learn class in hands-on practice. Over the past few years, I have developed strong skills in several areas that support my career in media and communication. I have hands-on experience in graphics design, video editing, photography, and videography. Skills I have used to create documentaries, short films, and television news reports. Technically, I am confident using Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Canva, which I regularly use for creating presentation, reports, posters, and visual contents. These tools have helped me work efficiently both academically and professionally. Besides, I working behind the camera, I am also passionate about writing. I regularly write features and newspaper articles. I am actively involved in reporting both on campus and beyond. I am an active member of my department communication club, where I have had opportunities and collaboration on different activities and academic projects. I also work as a volunteer for CDS-TF Season 1 and I was honored to receive certificate of appreciation for my contributions. Beyond academics, I am proud to be a founding member and the accounting officer of the Brotherhood organization, a community-based youth environment where I have gained valuable experience, leadership, teamwork, and financial management. My academic journey began at Jahangirnagar University School and College, where I complete both my SSC and HSC. I achieved a GPA of 3.39 and SSC and 4.17 in HSC. Along the way, I also earned a certificate in computer skills and I am proud to be a certificate debater from the National Debate Federation (NDF), an experience that has strengthened my communication and public speaking abilities. Right now, I am focusing on enriching my skills in mobile journalism, which I believe is the future of fast, flexible, and impactful reporting. My long-term goal is to establish a professional creative production house where I can create meaningful and high-quality content that inspires and informs others. I am a lifelong learner who enjoys teamwork, embraces challenges, and always looks for ways to improve myself both personally and professionally. Thank you so much for taking time to learn about me.